Hi everyone, I'm Nada from Technology and Computer channel. Before we start, please subscribe my channel and like for this video. Let's get started. Hi again. A lot of people love to learn Arabic, but when they wanna pronounce any word, need to listen to the correct pronunciation. So we have today Youglish site. First write here Youglish and click enter. And here click on the first option. Here click on for English and make it for Arabic. Here write any word you want and click on say it. I'll write عائلة word in English family word. This is the first video. We have here a lot of videos. Listen to video to know the correct pronunciation, and if this video unclear, you can click on click here to watch the next video. And if this video unclear, you can click on replay. This site is very easy to use, and please subscribe to my channel and like for this video, and goodbye.